Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the device cannot start error code 10 on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would just be and restart your computer. That's the first method in today's tutorial. And hopefully I would have been able to resolve the problem. If not, something else you guys can try here would be to open up the start menu, search, type in CMD. Best result should go back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to go ahead and select yes. And now into this command line window, I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of the video. Copy and paste the first one, and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste in this first command here. Hit enter on your keyboard. You can minimize out of the command prompt window at this time. So it should say troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, hardware and devices. Go ahead and select next. So if it gives you any suggestions, I'd recommend following along with them here. Okay, so if it fixes anything, I'd recommend closing out of here. Something else I want you guys to do as well would be to open up the start menu search for device manager. Best match should come back with device manager. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to expand whatever device you're having the problem with. So let's say it's a keyboard here. You just go ahead and double click on it. Right click on your keyboard and then select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers and then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the standard one listed here and then select next. And then close out of here. You will need to restart your computer after updating any of these drivers. So go ahead and select yes. So hopefully that would have resolved the problem. One further thing you can try here as well would be to open up the search again, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you're going to type in SFC followed by a space /scan out. Scan out should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here and restart. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.